See, imagine cruising down an empty highway, the sunset glowing like molten gold in your rearview mirror, and the sound of wind whispering through the open road ahead. See, now picture doing all that in something that looks straight out of a time machine. A camper that blends retro charm with futuristic innovation. See, this isn't just another RV, this is a revolution on wheels. A futuristic retro style camper that's rewriting what freedom really means. From the outside, it looks like a blast from the past. Sleek chrome lines, circular headlights that sparkle like eyes from a 1950s sci-fi movie, and curves that scream vintage Americana. See, but once you step inside, it's like walking into a dream. The walls glow softly with ambient smart lighting that changes color with your mood. The seats, see, made from recycled leather that adjusts to your body temperature. And the control system, a touch-free voice-activated hub that handles everything. Temperature, lighting, entertainment. It's even the panoramic roof that slides open to reveal the stars above. But what makes this camper truly groundbreaking is how it redefines sustainability. Underneath that retro skin lies a fully electric powertrain capable of days of grid living. Solar panels stretch across the roof, charging up a next gen battery system so efficient, see, you could travel coast to coast without worrying about fuel. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves, brewing your coffee with solar power, see, and watching the sunrise, all while knowing you've left zero carbon footprint behind. And it's not just about tech, it's about emotion. Every inch of this camper was designed to evoke nostalgia, those carefree summer road trips. See, that sense of wonder from simpler times, but fused with the intelligence and comfort of the future. See, it's as if someone took your childhood dreams and upgraded them with tomorrow's engineering. Then there's the craftsmanship. Every corner, every switch, every stitch feels intentional. See, hidden compartments slide open with a whisper, revealing storage that adapts to your needs. The kitchenette folds out like origami, see, revealing a full cooking station that disappears when you're done. Even the bed adjusts its firmness based on your sleep patterns. It's not just design, it's an experience. See, this camper isn't about luxury, it's about liberation. It's for those who crave freedom, who want to escape the noise of the city, who believe adventure shouldn't cost the planet. It's for dreamers, wanderers, and innovators, people who live for the journey, not just the destination. And maybe that's what makes it so powerful. See, because when you see it gliding silently across the highway, reflecting both yesterday's nostalgia and tomorrow's promise, you realize this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. See, a reminder that the future doesn't have to abandon the past, it can celebrate it, reimagine it, and drive it forward. So the question is, when the road calls, see, will you answer it in something ordinary, or will you step into the future wrapped in the beauty of the past and drive the revolution yourself? Because this is not just travel, it's total freedom reborn.